In this video, we're going to learn how to use HLOOKUP to select data in a table array. HLOOKUP is a great function which is used to look up data in a table array which is displayed horizontally. In this example, I want to populate this row with the employee salaries which are located in a separate worksheet. I can of course populate the data manually by clicking back and forth between worksheets, but if I have a lot of data, this will take a long time and I may incorrectly enter the data. For ease of reference, I have shaded the cells that I want to populate using HLOOKUP light green. To use the HLOOKUP function to populate the table with the employee salaries, click in the cell where you want the data to be displayed. In this example, I'm going to click into cell B5. Type =, followed by HLOOKUP to bring up the function. The first argument is to select the lookup value. In this case, the lookup value is the name of the employee. So click on a cell with the first employee name, which is cell B3. Type a comma to move on to the next argument, which is to select the table array. The table array is a cell range which contains all of the data we want Excel to look through. In this example, the table array is on a separate worksheet. Click on a worksheet with the table array and select the entire cell range, making sure you do not select any of the headings. It is important to note that the lookup value must always be laid above the row of the data we're looking for. As we want to find the salaries for each employee, the lookup value must be above that row and not below it. Stay on a worksheet with the table array and type a comma to move on to the next argument, which is to select the row index number. The row index number refers to the numeric order the row you want Excel to look through is located. For this example, I've shaded the row index light green. This row is the third row down from the table array, so I will type the number 3 in the argument. Type a comma to move on to the final argument, which asks whether we want an approximate match by typing true or an exact match by typing false. As we want an exact match, we'll type false. Press enter to complete the function. We're now back onto the worksheet we want to populate, and Excel has populated the cell with the employee's salary. We can make the table array absolute so that Excel will only look at the worksheet cell range to locate the data. To do this, highlight the table array data range and press the F4 key on your keyboard. We can tell the range is now absolute or locked by the $signs. Press enter to complete the function. To populate the row with the rest of the employees' salaries, drag the cell across. Excel has correctly populated the salaries of the employees. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.